Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden has picked the man he wants to be at White House Chief of Staff. Many people consider the Chief of Staff position to be among the most important roles in any administration. Skylar Henry has more details from the White House.
President-elect Joe Biden has chosen Ron Klain to be his Chief of Staff. Klain brings years of Washington, D.C. experience, including serving as Mr. Biden's first vice presidential chief of staff. The pick also shows the emphasis the president-elect is placing on the pandemic response. Klain has public health experience after serving as the Ebola response coordinator during the 2014 outbreak.
We need to be masking, social distancing, remaining 6 feet apart.
Dr. Celine Gounder sits on President-elect Biden's coronavirus advisory board. She downplayed the need for another full lockdown during an interview with CBS This Morning.
What we need to be tightening up right now is indoor dining, going to bars, indoor gyms, that sort of thing.
The White House continues to experience new coronavirus cases. Administration officials confirmed the chief of staff to the RNC and campaign advisor Corey Lewandowski, who's heading up the president's legal fights in Pennsylvania, have both tested positive. Advisors to the president tell CBS News they realize there is no legal path to overturn the election, but say the president likes to be seen as a fighter. He tweeted this morning saying he will win in Georgia after the recount. However, Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger tells CBS This Morning that's unlikely.
At the end of the day, I think you'll find that when we do the hand recount of all the votes, it'll substantiate what we've gotten with the electronic ballot counting with the machines.
The Trump campaign has yet to produce any evidence of widespread fraud, which would change the outcome of the election. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.
The Trump campaign continues to contest election results in Pennsylvania, Michigan, Wisconsin, Georgia, Arizona, and Nevada. And Gregory and Travis McMichaels appeared virtually in a Georgia courtroom today. Both father and son are facing 9 charges in the shooting death of Ahmaud Arbery, who was killed while jogging in a Brunswick neighborhood back in February. William Robbie Bryan, who was charged in connection with Arbery's death, was also in court but did not appear on camera because of medical reasons. All 3 men pleaded not guilty back in July but were denied bail at the time. And first-time claims for unemployment continue their decline. The Labor Department reports that jobless claims hit 709,000 last week, down from 757,000 the week before. Continuing claims or people claiming unemployment for 2 or more weeks also dropped down to just below 6.8 million. The data suggests a gradual strengthening in the labor market, but the number of people who migrated from regular unemployment assistance to the pandemic unemployment assistance program still remains high. And we now know our Thanksgiving celebrations will probably look different this year, but what about travel? We'll have your holiday travel forecast next on Valley News Live at 4.